from here in Merlion, Singapore.
Hi everyone, I am here in Singapore. I'm gonna give you a glimpse around Singapore at night. Enjoy watching.
From here, you can also see the Marina Bay Sands.
Ginagawa mo? Ginagawa mo?
If you love Singapore during daytime because it is clean and green, you will also love Singapore during at night because of the lights. When you're here at the Merlion, Singapore, you will be surrounded of amazing views. From here, you can see the most impressive architectural wonders in Singapore like Marina Bay Sands. Marina Bay Sands is a landmark destination in the heart of Singapore. Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort fronting Marina Bay in Singapore. From here in Merlion Park, you can also see the Singapore Flyer. Standing at a magnificent height of 165 meters, the Singapore Flyer is Asia's largest giant observation well, offering a 360-degree breathtaking panoramic view of the Lion City. The huge Ferris wheel is built on a 3-story terminal building at Marina Bay. The view of Marina Bay Sands and other buildings is definitely amazing from here in Merlion Park. Merlion Park is a popular tourist destination in Singapore, located at the mouth of the Singapore River. It features an iconic statue of the Merlion, a mythical creature that is half lion and half fish. Visitors can take photos of the statue and enjoy panoramic views of the city skyline. If you're wondering what is so special about the Merlion's fish-like body symbolizes Singapore's origin as a fishing village known as Temasek, a name which come from same root as the word tasik or lake in Malay. The statue's head represents the city's original name of Singapore, Lion City in Sanskrit. To the right of Merlion Park is a pedestrian-only walking path that has some of the most beautiful views in the city. As you stroll along the boardwalk, you have the sparkling view of Marina Bay at your side, and right across will be the world-famous Marina Bay Sands Hotel. There is no charge to enter Merlion Park, and it is also a good place for taking pictures. Merlion Park is a famous Singapore landmark and a major tourist attraction located at One Fullerton, Singapore, near the Central Business District. The Merlion is a mythical creature with a lion's head and the body of a fish that is widely used as a mascot and a national personification of Singapore. The lion spouts water from its mouth, which makes for a great picture. The Merlion Park is definitely a major Singapore attraction overlooking the Marina Bay. The Merlion Park is a must-see on your trip to Singapore. It's the perfect place to start your walk along Marina Bay and see the most beautiful views of the city. There are lots of interesting things to do near Merlion Park. Other things to do near Merlion Park is to eat at Chinatown Food Street. While you are in Chinatown, Singapore, you should shop till you drop. Chinatown Street Market is a great place to indulge in some street shopping. Singapore is a city, a nation, and a state. It is 275 square miles and inhabited by 5 million people from 4 major communities from Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Eurasian. Singapore, known as the Lion City or Garden City, the latter for its many parks and three-line streets, has also been called Instant Asia because it offers the tourist an expeditious glimpse into the cultures brought to it by immigrants from all parts of Asia. Singapore has one of the best skylines with high-rise buildings and the city lights to mesmerize you. The best one is the Marina Bay skyline that offers an iconic view. Singapore is called Merlion because its name combines mer meaning the sea and lion. The fish body represents Singapore's origin as a fishing village when it was called Temasek, which means sea town in Japanese. The lion head represents Singapore's original name Singapura, meaning Lion City or Kota Singa. The lion head symbolizes courage, strength, and excellence. The mane has 5 partings that represent the same 5 ideals embodied in the 5-star of the national flag, namely democracy, peace, progress, justice, and equality. Singapore comes from the Malay word Singa for lion and Pora for city. Prior to European settlement, the island now known as Singapore was the site of Malay fishing village and inhabited by several hundred indigenous Orang Laut people. Singapore's national animal is the lion, majestic, courageous, and bold, truly a creature that can inspire Singaporeans. Merlions spit water because water in Chinese culture represents wealth, so the endless unceasing spitting is apparently the symbolic of never-ending prosperity into the river of life. Singapore is bent on maintaining its reputation of being impeccably clean with an active campaign against littering. First-time offenders who throw small items like cigarette butts or candy wrappers are fined $300. Singapore's healthcare system, level of cleanliness, and armed forces were the strongest sources of pride for Singaporeans. Singapore is an island nation in Southeast Asia, and it is one amazing travel destinations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates for a new video.